In this video, we're gonna learn how to sign up for PrimeXBT application. So without further ado, let's get on straight into the video. First, make sure to download the PrimeXBT application on your mobile device or simply log in to PrimeXBT website. Simply type in primexbt.com in a web browser or open up the app, and then you'll end up in the first interface. From the first page, tap on the sign up button in blue at the bottom of the page and then enter an email address and create a password. After entering the email address, create a strong password for yourself. While creating your password, make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long. It must use an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a digit. After you are done creating a strong password, tap on this little square at the bottom and agree to PrimeXBT's terms and conditions. Now, after you are done, tap on sign up. You'll now need to go and open up the email that you've registered with, and you'll receive a confirmation pin. Open up your email service provider and make sure to open up the same email that you just registered with, and you'll receive an email from PrimeXBT. Now, click open the email that you received from PrimeXBT and then copy the code that you can see inside the text box. Get back to the PrimeXBT application, paste in the text, and you'll be taken to the next page. Here, you'll need to set a passcode for your device for security reasons. Go ahead and enter a passcode. Confirm your passcode by retyping it again, and if you wish to, you can enable the biometric authentication so that you can use face unlock or fingerprint to authenticate on PrimeXBT. In order to allow that, tap on OK. If you don't want to do that, tap on Don't Allow. Soon after you are done, you'll be able to reach to the final step. Confirm that you are not a resident or a citizen of a restricted country. In order to do that, check this little square box and tap on Proceed. And there you have successfully signed up for PrimeXBT. You can now go ahead and start fund count. Once your account is approved, you can fund it with cryptocurrencies and other assets as supported by the platform. And that is how you should be able to complete your sign up for PrimeXBT. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.